Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Luke.
Luke what?
Luke Jankowski.
How old are you?
6.
Oh, what's going on?
Oh, there's a thunderstorm.
No. Yeah? What else is going on?
And I've got hiccups.
Where'd you get the hiccups from?
I got it from the end of the trip.
Where did the trip? Where'd you go?
To California, and I also got this.
What is that?
Something cool. It's a Ninjago jet.
Ooh. Wow. That's cool. Back up. Cool.
And watch this move. You just slide it forward like.
How come you're talking so funny?
Oh, I've got hiccups.
Have you been drinking?
No, it's the hiccups.
Oh.
Let me just fix it up here. Just enjoy the sky.
Just enjoy the sky? Okay. Do, 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 do,
Without it in the way.
do. Okay, we're back.
And here it is in this mode.
Whoa.
Here's the under.
Wow. Okay, back up just a little bit so we can get it better in the camera. Go back. There you go. Wow, that's perfect. Very nice.
And here it is under it without them like it.
You got silly hiccups.
Oh, thanks. And you see Jay is not in his jacket.
Wow, that was a big flash. Okay.
So,
And where did you get that?
At the Lego store on the trip.
Where did you go?
To see Grandma and Grandpa's.
Say, officer, I have not been drinking.
Officer, I've not been drinking.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.